were meowing at me, and then you left. Okay, goodbye. William, thank you for the super rock. Hey, Biboo, my birthday is at the 8/24, the day 1 of AFO. It's an extra special birthday because it's my 18th birthday. Although it's late, can I get a happy birthday from my Kami Oshi? Okay, I'll find the cat. Hey! Cat's the Kami Oshi, right? Meow. 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 Yeah, it's disappeared. Oh well, I guess you have to settle for me. I'm sorry to disappoint you so much. Happy birthday to you. I'm sorry, I won't be as good as my cat. Happy birthday to you. I'm sorry. I know I can't be your Kamiyoshi because my cat. I'm not John Cat, but happy birthday, dear Pebble. I'm so honored that you still watch me even though the cat is not on the stream right now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pebble. I hope you had a great birthday, and I hope you enjoyed AFO. That's pretty cool. That's the same day. Oh, look, the cat showed up after I sang happy birthday. Wow, nice timing. Always comedic timing with that one. Okay.
それからどうしたの?
Did you hear that? Did it catch on the microphone? My cat sneezed. You gotta sneeze for my cat. I think you're a tiny bit, but on stream, that's wild. We're moving now.